I understand where he's coming from. I don't necessarily agree with him. I think it is hugely important that we get the type of information that is necessary in order to tackle what is a very serious problem in the country. Yes, I can understand where he's coming from in terms of, are we putting too much emphasis on it? Is it getting too much publicity? But when you look at the problem itself, then we can't continue to hide it. I mean, I think that's what we did in the past, so therefore we didn't know if there was a cluster, which, for instance, the first cluster that was recognised was actually in Cork, in my own city. That type of information is invaluable, and that's the type of information that we need to continue to gather. I think some families will want that anonymity, but the majority of families now don't. I mean, I think what happens with suicide is, the question is why. Why didn't I recognise it? What are the signs? Why didn't I pick it up quicker? Was there something more I could have done? And we can only identify those early warnings by in fact gathering the type of information that we're now gathering.